Presume and assume are two words that have the same root and only differ because they have different prefixes. However, these prefixes play a big role, and as if often happens in the English language, change the meaning of the whole word. When we presume something, you suppose it based on some evidence or probability. Presume can also mean to act without permission or to accept something as true because there is no evidence that it is false. When you assume something, you believe so without any evidence. Assume can mean to undertake a task or a responsibility or to adopt qualities. Let us have the following examples for presume. I presume from your speech that you are a foreigner. Don't presume too far. We must presume innocence until we have proof of guilt. She rarely mentions her late husband, so I presume he didn't make up for much. I presume that an agreement will eventually be reached. We cannot assume anything in this case. I assume you always get up at the same time. We were wrong to assume that she'd agree. You cannot automatically assume that everything your teacher says is correct. It seems reasonable to assume Fedorov will collect it despite the danger. As synonyms for suppose, both presume and assume can be used. Still, presume has a stronger meaning, and if you use this verb, it will make your words sound more believable and legit. And that's the difference between presume and assume.